What's up, guys? Hello and welcome to another video. It's Jordan Warrior here, and I'm bringing you a full leg workout today, okay? So if you stick around to the end of the video, then you're gonna know the entire workout, how many reps and how many sets of every different exercise we've done, and obviously all the different exercises as well. So if you like videos like this, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel in a major way, and I genuinely appreciate everyone who does that, as well as drop a comment down below when you see your favorite exercise and let me know what it was for this video, okay? I've got Tyson filming for me again, so thanks, bro, really appreciate it. His Instagram is gonna be popping up somewhere around here, as well as linked in the description there. And without too much further ado, we're gonna get into the exercises, so let's go. Okay guys, so for the first exercise, what we're gonna be doing are walking lunges. We're gonna go from here, down the hallway and back. So a lot of reps, can do about 3 sets of them. I'll let you know exactly how many reps I get. Gonna be a little bit tough because here in Alberta, what we gotta do is keep the mask on at all times, even while we're working out. So here it goes. Hey guys, okay, so back to the next exercise. It's gonna be barbell squats. For this one, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. For the first set, I'm gonna do a higher rep range, about 25. Then I'm gonna do about 15 reps and then 2 sets under 10 with heavier weight, okay? So let's go. Okay guys, so 25 reps, just the bar. Now I'm gonna do a set with just 95 pounds. I don't usually go too heavy for legs just because I do have a broken back, but I'm gonna build up this here and see how heavy I can take it. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into a leg press right now. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the squats where I pyramid the weight up for 3 sets. Okay guys, so we'll be wrapping up leg workout with leg extensions. So pretty simple, we're gonna do 5 sets of 20 reps, okay? But I have a special technique in this that I like to incorporate at the end of some of my workouts. It's really good for muscle growth. So let me know in the comments there if you've seen this technique before when I show you what it is. Okay, so that last part, if you didn't already know, it's facial stretching. I learned it in a workout program style called FST7, okay? So thanks for joining in for today's video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed everything. I'm gonna finish this leg workout. Drop a comment below, like I said, let me know what your favorite exercise today was. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. There's gonna be a button popping up around here. Smash that like button, make sure you do that, helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. And watch some of these other videos.